Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company. It's a very cold January day. We're out here with this beautiful 1974 Yamaha FS1E in Popsicle Purple in all stunning condition. It's going to be one on our website, the Classic Competition Company. Tickets will be £1.99 and you can win this bike on the 15th of March 2026. So yeah, like I said, this particular example has all been fully restored about 10 years ago. It's kept in a collection of FS1Es. And then we bought it off the chap, recommissioned it, relined the tank, started it up, and yeah, it's here today. It sounds fantastic. Engine was restored by a renowned FS1E expert. So we didn't really need to do much, just fuel, recommission, and fire it up. And that was it. So yeah, really, really iconic bike, one of the most iconic bikes of the 70s. I think many of you guys would have had these when you were young. As you know, the prices are quite ridiculous now because you're all competing to buy them. And this is one of the most popular colours. So these range from anywhere from 6 to 8,000, depending on condition. What we'll do now, fire her up. So we've got our fuel tap here. Put that on. Got a choke on the handlebars here. Started it about 2 hours ago, so it's cold now. And we've got a key here. I think it's the middle position that is on. We'll soon find out when I kick it. I've got a kickstart over here. I give it a kick. There we are. Fired up straight away. The really smooth, zippy little engine. There's only 2 miles on the clock, so I think it will need running in. It's obviously cold, but you have a little listen to the engine. So obviously needs a bit of warming up and then it'll rev a bit freer. But yeah, if you fancy a ticket, it's the classiccompetitioncompany.com. They're £1.99 and the draw will take place on the 15th of March, which is a Sunday at 10 PM. If you do enter, thank you for your support as always and good luck.